With the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Oven, you can achieve hotter temperatures than you can get indoors for those brick oven-inspired textures of charring, blistering, caramelization, and more right at home in the touch of a button. Let's get cooking at high temps with full control to see what you can do. One great high heat function I love to use for a quick, delicious meal is Max Roast. Max Roast unlocks max heat up to 700 degrees for max char, flavors, and textures for quick elevated meals up to 40% faster than your indoor oven. This is great for protein and vegetable combinations, quick cooks, and one-pan meals. Today, I'll be making some steaks and shishito peppers for a great family night meal in under 25 minutes. To get started, I'm gonna get my unit set up. For Max Roast, the Pro Heat pan should be installed into the accessory frame during preheat to unlock great searing and textures. To set, turn the dial to Max Roast, set temperature to 700 and time to 8 minutes. Be sure to reference the Max Roast chart in the inspiration guide to get an idea of cook temps and times. I'm also gonna add Woodfire Flavor into this cook. With Woodfire technology, you can add authentic Woodfire flavors to anything you make with just half a cup of pellets and selecting Woodfire Flavor. When the oven is ready, it will display Add Food. Since the steaks cook longer than the peppers, I'm only gonna add those for now. I like to pull out the accessory frame to add foods easier in the Pro Heat pan. Push your proteins down to get better contact and better charring during your cook. Now that we're halfway through the cook, the oven will prompt you to flip. Be careful when opening the door. I like to hold at a slightly open portion to let the smoke out. Now I'll add in the peppers for the last few minutes to get that great blister. Once you're done, remove your food and you're ready to eat. Another great high heat function is specialty roast, which is great for larger proteins for parties or special occasions for hands-off cooking. Specialty roast is a two-stage cooking process where the cook cycle starts at a higher temperature and automatically drops to a lower temperature so you get crispy exteriors and juicy interiors. Today, I'm gonna be making a whole roasted chicken. For setup, I'm turning the dial to specialty roast, setting stage 1 to 700 degrees for 15 minutes, which will build a beautiful crust, then dropping the temperature in stage 2 to 325 degrees for 2 hours to finish the cook. For my seasoning, I'm using salt, pepper, and a garlic herb to give it some flavor. When the unit is preheated, I'll add everything and press start to begin. I'm able to step back, go set up the rest of the party, and not have to worry about cooking. The food is ready, and look at that beautiful texture and cook. Perfect for the special occasion or everyday dinner without the hassle. So for more recipes, tips, and tricks, check out ninjakitchen.com.